Okay, good morning children. Welcome back to ICAN Physics. Now in this class we are going to solve 7.3 and 7.4 from 7th lesson. Let's enjoy the class. Okay, a 44 millihenry. Okay, so Henry is the unit of self-inductance. So L equal to 44 millihenry. Now convert the Henry into millihenry into Henry. So 44 into 10 to the power minus 3 Henry is the self-inductance. Is connected to 220 volt, 220 volt and 50 hertz. Okay, 50 hertz AC supply. So when it is AC, then the voltage can be taken as ERMS. Okay, determine the RMS value of current. Determine the RMS value of current. Okay, so IRMS into XL equal to ERMS. Okay, so we know the value of ERMS. IRMS we are going to calculate, but we don't know the value of XL. So XL is the resistance given by the inductor. So how we can calculate XL? So XL equal to omega L. So what is omega? 2 pi mu. So 2 pi mu into L. So 2 into pi, 3.14 into frequency. So what is the value of frequency? 50. Okay. Into L. So what is the value of L? 44 into 10 to the power minus 3. So when you multiply, then you can get 13.83 ohm. So now we calculate the value of XL. So the multiplication XL goes to the right side as division. So IRMS equal to ERMS by XL. Now what is the value of ERMS? ERMS 220 volt. 220 volt. XL. So what is the value of XL? So 13.83. So when you divide, then you can get 15.9. So that this much of IRMS. So current. So unit of current is ampere. Okay. Do you get it now? Do you have any doubts? No doubt. Okay. So we go to the next question. So a 60 microfarad capacitor. So the capacitance of the capacitor is 60 microfarad. Convert the microfarad into farad. So 60 into 10 to the power minus 6 farad. Connected to 110 volt. Okay, 110 volt. 60 hertz. 60 hertz. AC supply. So AC supply, then its voltage is taken as ERMS. ERMS. Determine the RMS value of current. RMS value of current. So what we have solved here, the same thing, but here we are using the inductor, here we are using the capacitor. So that for instead of XL, I am going to write XC. So IRMS into XC equal to ERMS. Okay. So now we have to calculate the value of XC. Okay. So how we can calculate the value of XC? XC equal to 1 by omega C. So what is omega? Omega equal to 2 pi mu. So 1 by 2 pi mu into C. That is 1 by 2 into 3.14 into mu. So what is the value of frequency? Frequency is 60 hertz. So 60 into capacitance. 60 into 10 to the power minus 6. So 60 into 10 to the power minus 6. So when you multiply and divide, finally you can get 44.23 is the capacitive reactance and its unit is ohm. Okay. Now we have to calculate IRMS. The multiplication XC goes to the right side as division. So IRMS equal to ERMS by XC. So what is the value of ERMS? ERMS is 110. Okay. So 110 divided by XC, 44.23. So 44.23. Then we can divide, finally we can get 2.49. That is the IRMS. So what is the unit of current? Ampere. So 2.49 ampere. Okay. Do you get it now? Do you any doubts? No doubts.